Today we're going to look at how you can use the Property Market Intel platform to filter properties across all the portals, Rightmove, Zoopla and On the Market by their estimated yield. We calculate the estimated yield by using current and recent rental properties that have listed in the nearby area with a similar property type, number of bedrooms, property size, number of bathrooms, etc. in order to predict the potential yield that you could receive on that property as a standard buy-to-let investment. So the first step is choosing either to source by postcode or by custom search. In this case, we'll just go with custom search. From here, we can then draw an area, so you can hone in on a small area or a large area. In this case, we'll just select a custom large area, like this, from Middle England. Here you can drill down on the property you're looking for, whether that you've got budget requirements. So say we want to look for a property between 200,000 and say 600,000. It's quite a wide budget, but I'm just wanting to keep the numbers available for the demo. And say we want it to be a minimum of 2 beds and a maximum of 4 beds. We can drill in on time in the market and how much the property is potentially being reduced by, or we can just select estimated yield. So we can see estimated yield more than, let's say, 6%. Brings down to 2,000 properties. We can then see, is there any that have been reduced for 5%? Okay, so there's still 155. We can then drill down even further on property type, portal. You can simply just click and unclick like that. You can even drill down further and say, is there any of the near universities and near schools? Yes. And you can also put in some extra keywords, and etc. So maybe let's still got 140 properties. Maybe let's tighten the budget down to maybe, let's say, 400,000. Okay, perfect. And then at this stage, we can see there's 133 properties found with this search criteria. Press search. And now you can filter through the properties like so and easily see what's available and what's not available, what the estimated yield is, what the growth is in the area, if there's a lot of area demand, and what the current HMO rates are. And then you can select on these properties and drill down even further. In certain situations where you want to maybe go direct to vendor or get the full address of the property, if you're on our Pro plan, you'll be able to view the full address of the property. So this property here is 6 Lowfield Crescent. This property here is 49 Thirlwall Drive, CB75NY, which is a great way to just target direct to vendor. And you can also export by clicking Get CSV, which will export all of this data straight to an Excel for your analysis and further research. If you're taking that offline, you can view by map as well. We also highlight the value of the property as well, so you can easily see what properties, what prices. And you can hover over and view the property like so. If you want to get email alerts on this search, you can press here and we'll send you email alerts monthly, weekly, fortnightly if there's any new properties that have been added that meet your search criteria. You can also save this search for future reference, just in case you want to come back to the exact search. Although please bear in mind, if properties are taken off the market, they won't be in the search. So again, if you want to keep certain property details, you're best to export to CSV. And we can also just edit the filters here and go in and update what we previously set, if that's something you want to do. So yeah, that's a quick tour on how you can utilise our platform to search for properties by their estimated yield and quickly find potential investment opportunities at the click of a button across all 3 portals.